And if I am a reflection of him, then I must be bright because his light it shines so bright. Oh, what a night! I remember the very first day that I saw him. I found myself immediately intrigued by him. It's almost like I knew this man from another life. Like back then, maybe I was his husband, maybe he was my wife. And even the things I don't like about him are fine with me. 'Cause it's not hard for me to understand him 'cause he's so much like me. And it's truly my pleasure to share his company. And I know that it's God's gift to breathe, yeah, he breathes. 'Cause he is the truth, that he is so real. And I love the way that he makes me feel. And if I am a reflection of him, then I must be right, because it's light that shines so bright over the light. And yeah, yeah. Mm. How can I say that makes me so mad? Turn around and kiss me so softly. If he ever left me, I wouldn't even be sad. No, 'cause that's a blessing in every lesson, and I'm glad that I know it all. 'Cause he is the truth, said he is so real, and I love the way that he makes me feel. And if I am a reflection of him, then I must be right, because his light shines so bright over the light. I love the way he speaks. Ooh, I love the way he thinks. I love the way that he treats his mama. I love that gap in between his teeth. Yeah, I love him in every way that a woman can love a man. From personal to universal, but most of all, it's unconditional. You know that? That's the way I feel. No, 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 no. There ain't no substitute for the truth. Either it is or it isn't. You see the truth that needs no proof. Either it is or it isn't. You know the truth by the way it feels. And if I am a reflection of him, then I must be right, because it's light shines so bright. I'm alive.